Do you have car friends that are slower than you? Of course you do. Well, I hope you do. Please don't be the slowest. That's never fun. If you are faster than your homies, you ever baptized anybody? Taking them to Gapplebee's? Well, on 5 free supply, we have official Gapplebee's gift cards. They're obviously like, they have 0 cash value, but you know, this card is fully transferable to someone with a slower car who notoriously misshifts. Please store this card where your man card used to be. You gotta hand this out to the homies that got a slower car than you do. Sorry, buddy. He's got some haters already. I know what it feels like, bro. It's just part of life. You gonna stay here today? All right, man. Deuce. I have not been able to get over how good this car sounds over the past few days. All right, let's bring everybody some Gatorade and stay hydrated. Uh-oh. We got the whole gang with us. Let's get all this installed. Alright, you guys know the drill. Ethan's gotta know we're here. Last pull without being fast. Traction control was on, and it did not like it. Alright. Oh, it's a tight fit. Oh, it's a tight fit. This is how we get the flame tune, right? This is where the flame tune comes from. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. There's like lots and lots and lots in here. Check these bad babies out.
Ooh, that is pretty.
Yeah.
Man, that's nice looking.
I'm excited to have these on. All right, so I'm gonna have to speak really loudly because of the fans and stuff, but we got some really good stuff from Deechworks. 2 fuel pumps. If you guys don't know, R35s need 2 fuel pumps. So big upgraded fuel pumps, and then we also got 1200cc
injectors and
as well.
Clip adapters.
And you guys have seen all the stuff that I unboxed the other day. Actually, have you seen this thing? This is like
I have not.
It's like it's a new, like, not prototype, but like they're done with it. And it's like just more precise fueling, basically. Okay. All right. Let me go ahead and get that stuff off.
Filters. Those do look pretty nasty.
Wow, nasty.
Although, you know what's worse is on many of these cars, I've pulled this panel off and found an air filter just sitting. It's not attached to the pipe anymore.
Oh no. Cool, we're gonna get those out. We'll get the intakes on. We have a lot of fuel stuff to do, guys. Alrighty. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Yeah. Nice. Oh, look at are there rats in here, dude? That's disgusting. What is in here? Dude.
Oh,
there's freaking dead rats.
Oh, jeez.
It's disgusting. Here.
How are we gonna get that out, Evan?
I'm gonna leave that to you. You're the pro. What is that?
Oh my god, dude.
Nasty.
It's a lot.
That's a lot in there. Oh man. Look at all that.
Try to inhale as much of that vermin guts as you can.
Look at that. At this point, we're basically replacing a lot of these factory fuel lines, 385 rated stuff, and also the CAN module and the flex fuel kit. Got everything unboxed and kind of on the table. There's a lot of things to plug in and things to do, but all this helps the car go fast.
All the way out.
Nice. Cool.
I really like all this. This is definitely much better than other setups that I've done where you have to, kind of has to piggyback on existing wiring, you know, where you're tapping in or repurposing a wire.
Yeah, so that is cool. I mean, it's got plugs for, it seems, for everything you need.
Yeah, so we have the pressure sensor, we have the flex fuel sensor,
right?
And so then they'll tie in there and there, and that's what talks to the vehicle.
So I didn't know this. You actually like unscrew this, and then you have the plugs for that. I had no idea what that was gonna be like until now. So
all 3 of those guys.
We're gonna go
one to talk to the vehicle, and then the other 2 to add your 2 new sensors.
That's cool.
So that those have lines of communication throughout the vehicle.
Okay.
And we don't have to go cutting up and splicing weird
that's
stuff
cool.
like that. So that's pretty cool how they executed that. They just got this like sandwiched in between the stock pieces to give you a place to read the pressure from.
Are you getting tired of people asking you about the flame tune yet?
Oh my god.
Oh, I keep bringing it up and I know it just irks you inside every time I mention it. Okay, now we've gotten this step. So this little, that's the actual flex fuel sensor itself. That's really cool and like cleans it up a lot. And you don't have to worry about fitment issues. Ethan's saying like there's other flex fuel sensors that you have to worry about this little duct hitting and stuff like that.
I mean, this uses the stock mount spots with the stock rubber and everything.
That's crazy.
Uses the stock clip added onto there.
It's really clean.
And it's very nice, yeah.
While Ethan's getting the flex fuel stuff finished up, I'm getting the fuel pumps started. Dude, this is really sick actually. It's pretty cool. It has a little tab that you literally just kind of like pull the rear seat off. So it literally just slides right out. Super, super easy. I wish every single car did that. It makes it really nice. But here we go. There's that. Let me go ahead and get it off and start getting that done. Okay, injectors are now on. They're nice. Next, we're gonna start putting some stuff back together. Here's the beautiful, gorgeous carbon fiber intakes. And then we're also gonna now do the CAN gateway module. Oof! And you'll never see the intakes again because I'm gonna put the cover back on, but oh, that does look really nice. The CAN bus module is in. I've tucked it away. It's pretty simple. You just gotta tighten a few things there, replace a couple brackets. I've cleanly ran the all the wires through the little cover for this, so it looks nice. The battery is back in. Everything is plugged into this. I did have to modify this. I had to take like a Christmas tree bit, step bit, and kind of shave that out a little bit so I can have that wire coming out. But I had one thing plug into the secondary MAF sensor back there. I would definitely recommend a high tier shop to do some of this, especially, well, most GTR guys don't really know how to do anything to their cars. But it was not too terribly bad, but it was definitely extensive. That is the biggest basket I've ever seen. Is it like two pumps stacked on top of each other?
Pumps, yeah, there's like a high speed and a low speed pump.
Interesting.
So the second pump doesn't even come on unless, you know, the conditions are met.
Oh, so this currently has ASNU pumps in it, but I trust Deechworks more, so we're gonna go ahead and put our Deechworks ones in there. Everything seems to be on. We've pretty much double checked all the things around here, and we're not missing nothing. Everything's tightened back up, the engine's back, and it looks pretty much exactly like stock. Sans a little unit back there that you can barely see. All right, new intakes, new fuel system, first start. Let's go ahead and get it. Oh, she purrs. She purrs.
What the heck?
Yeah, dude, I'm waiting on flames, dude. That sounds amazingly loud.
All right, here we go again. We should have much better running now.
Okay. Oh, smooth. Oh. I want flames now. Flames! I was kidding. So Ethan was telling me that it's pretty cool. It's like rolling anti-lag, which is like something we can program.
Yeah.
Two-step, obviously.
Nobody can enjoy the rolling anti-lag in a parking lot. You know, nobody gets to see you do that, but I think driving the vehicle, I mean, doing the launch control is fun, but like doing the rolling...
I have some Mustang people really talking some smack, like ready to race me after this, so...
Okay.
We're gonna have to use that rolling anti-lag for sure.
We'll get there.
Okay.
No Mustang is going to beat you.
I also want to point out, guys, all of this, and I still have paper plates. Oh, uh-oh. 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 Oh, it's gonna be so stinky and loud.
All it takes to get a little laugh out of Evan.
Hey, man. Flames are fun. Damn it. So we just took it around the block just to do like a little, just to make sure the base map was okay. It drove amazing. It drove just like it did on the way here. We're still 93 at this point. Ethan's gonna try and start tuning in some two-step anti-lag type stuff. And then we're actually gonna come back another day to do the full dyno tune. Shout out to the Clash boys. You getting the flames figured out?
I'm trying, man. I'm sure trying. Here it is. LC. Dragging that map over. Yes.
I like the LC.
Nothing cool going on here.
Trans, R, suspension, R, traction, off. But our trans has to be. Oh, we're already at 154, so
I guess we are.
We should be good. We now should have launch control. Wow, that's incredibly loud. Okay, I think you found it.
Was there flame?
No,
right now?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Not at all. It's a lot of smoke. It's getting close. Oh my god. So close. Dang. It's trying. So, oh god, that's a freaking hornet. Ah! Hey, bitch. Hey, well, we didn't quite get the flames we wanted to. We're gonna look over everything and we'll make it happen sometime soon. A big shout out and a big thank you to COBB, THWorks as well. That's my fuel systems I use in my cars. But COBB sending us all this kind of stuff. It's awesome. It turned out really clean, and next time we come back, we're gonna get this car tuned on ethanol, and it's gonna be an absolute beast. All right, we're home. I went ahead and left the GTR there so we can look over some stuff and get a little bit of tuning stuff done before we show up so that we can have a nice, fun, efficient, crazy video. My daily advice for you guys today is for a lot of those of you who struggle with depression and anxiety, like myself, you can never and will never be able to control what you go through. That itself seems kind of hopeless. It kind of sucks to hear that, but you can never control what you go through, but you can control what you focus on. A lot of us are guilty of that, and it kind of ties in with a lot of other things that I say, where you should just be grateful and try and be thankful of good things going on in your life. Every single one of us has a problem. There's 100-something thousand people that watch my videos almost every single day. And every single one of those people have an issue, have family problems, or have some sort of problem going on in your life. Every single person has struggles, right? And you can never control what those struggles are. You can never control what you go through, but you can control the things that you focus on. I want to leave you guys with that today. It's very important. I actually heard that at church this weekend, and it was the greatest advice I've heard in a long time. So I want to reflect on you guys today so you guys can understand that. And remember, the Gapplebee's gift cards are available today, right now. So make sure you get them. They're pretty limited. We might bring them back if they're a success, but they are here live right now. So make sure you grab yours, hand them out to the homies, so they can keep on getting passed along as soon as you get fast, whatever. But you guys can figure it out. This. What was I gonna say? Oh, duh. I have 2 videos for you guys to watch. Are you guys watching those right now? No, because you're thinking about going to another channel, but guess what? You shouldn't do that. You should watch my videos. Do it.